guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching the video. Today we're doing a comfort food. We're going to do chicken and dumplings. Now our family, Mom always made chicken and dumplings. She made biscuit dumplings. There's two kinds. There's a slick dumpling or a biscuit dumpling. And she made biscuit dumplings. Slick dumplings are more like noodles. So Mike's grandmother did slick dumplings. She used noodles. We used biscuits. Mom would make biscuits. But somewhere along the road, Dad found this recipe for chicken and dumplings with canned biscuits. Best chicken and dumplings you'll ever eat, and they're so easy. You just dump it in a pot and wish it well. Now, I used a rotisserie chicken, and I do have to admit, we bought this rotisserie chicken at Rouse's. It was completely dried out. But once we started eating it, it was like, it kind of softened up a little bit. When I started tearing it off the bone, I was like, man, I should have just took it back because it was horrible. But anyway, you can use rotisserie chicken. You can certainly boil your own chicken breast. You can do whatever you want to. But anyway, this is us using the rotisserie chicken. So enjoy it, guys. By the way, thanks for all my new subscribers. We're so glad y'all are on board with us. If you're not a subscriber, take a second, hit that button down below. Would love to have you. By the way, got new glasses from iBuyDirect. Link to the video on my review of iBuyDirect. Very happy with them. I think they're like $90. They're so great. Progressive bifocals. Anyway, I digress. Back to my chicken and dumplings. Here comes the recipe, guys. Chicken and dumplings. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit a like at the bottom too. And we'll see you on the other side. Okay, we're going to heat up our pan or a big pot. We're going to put in 48 ounces of chicken stock. Now, if you cook your own chicken, you will have your own broth. You can use that. I am using a rotisserie chicken. So I do not have broth, so I'm just going to use one of these family-sized things of chicken broth. Just like that. And into this, you're going to put a 10.5 ounce can of cream of celery soup. And get it out. There you go. Now we're going to whisk that together. You're going to put about a half a teaspoon, a fourth a teaspoon of poultry seasonings. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to bring that to a boil. While that's boiling, we're going to take a can of Grand's biscuits. You can use the Walmart brand or whatever you want. This is a 8 count of big biscuits. Open it. Now, you can roll these out, whatever you want to do. I think it's easier just to press them with your hands, just like that. You just want to flatten them out a little bit. You could double this if you want more biscuits, more dumplings. You can certainly do that. All right. Sorry. Stock is beginning to boil. Okay, we've got a rolling boil started. So you're going to take one of your biscuits. One of your biscuits, flatten it out, and just pull off chunks, just like that, and just lay it into the water, into the broth. You can cut it. You can do whatever you want to. You want to repeat that with all 8 of your canned biscuits. Don't stir it. Don't do anything like crazy like that. We're going to turn that heat down just a smidge. That's 4 biscuits. Five. I mean, this is a really, really an easy dish. Just kind of spread them out. Okay. Now, we don't want to stir it, but we do want to submerge the new biscuits, the ones we laid on top, because the other ones are puffing up. Okay, like that. On top of that, we're going to put our chicken, a rotisserie chicken. Now, like I said, this is a rotisserie chicken. It was the driest rotisserie chicken I have ever seen. And I'm just going to put this right on top. It's been picked. But I'm telling you, it was so dry. So good. Okay, I'm going to submerge it. And I'm going to sprinkle about a teaspoon of parsley flakes on the top of it because I like to see that in there. Now we're going to cover this. Is that a bone? No. But we'll get rid of it anyway. We're going to cover that and let that simmer for about 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes. Then you're done. Chicken and dumplings are done. This will thicken up from the biscuits. And we'll let it run for 15 minutes, 10 minutes or so. All right, guys, it has been 10 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. Yum, yum, yum. Stir it up. Not a lot of chicken. It was really a bad rotisserie chicken, but as you can see, the bread has kind of thickened it up a little bit. And then you've got your dumplings in there. So let's scoop out some and give it a taste. All right, guys, chicken and dumplings. It smells like chicken and dumplings. Look at nice, big, slick dumplings. The easiest and best comfort food you can make. So easy to make, such a great flavor. Give it a try, guys. If you do, tell me what you think. You guys enjoy. Have a great week. Be safe out there. Chicken and dumplings, like home.